Hello everyone, welcome to Checkiliper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to change the language in VLC media player. So what you need to do first is click on tools. It is the third option from the last. So help, view, and then tools. So click on it and then go to the last option, which is preferences, and then click on it. And right here at the beginning you can see language, and currently it is American English. So let's click on it and then select the language you want. So let's try something that I don't know, maybe Dutch, and then click on save. Now here you can see that the change did not take any effect because you need to close it and then reopen it again. And as you can see here, the language is different now. Now from here, if I want to go back, I can just go to the third option from last and then click on the last option since I don't understand Dutch language, and then click here and then select English and then click here and then close the window and then open it again. And here you can see I am back to English language again. Now please keep in mind that this will change the language of your player and the menus only, not the movie or the TV series that you are watching. If you want to change the language of those, you need to download subtitles or maybe download that particular movie in that language or something. And that's it for today. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next one.